instead of just shoving the end of the wire into the amp, we use these cable ferrules. We place it over the end. We either crimp it down, or most of the time in these larger gauge wires, the amp will crush it into place. That way, if we ever need to service it, we're not pulling a bundle of crushed wire out, we're pulling this actual cable ferrule out. Keeps everything nice and neat.
It's a little windy today. I'm sure I'm catching some mic wind noise, but it is absolutely gorgeous. Wilmington Island today. You can tell I'm at the jetties. I saw the birds diving in the water. I had to come out here. All the action was going on. We had the parasailer. I caught a little bit of that, but now the tide's coming in, so I got to head back. Also want to add, this is definitely where I caught that cool flounder, first flounder ever caught in North Carolina.